Our diversity as a people united is also our potential to transform our large deposits of mineral resources and use same for national development. Dear students, with this positive thought, today I will explain Class 8 Geography Chapter 3 Mineral and Power Resources. Minerals are naturally occurring substances with definite chemical composition formed by geological process, and over 3000 different minerals are there. Minerals are of two types: metallic minerals, which contain metals in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Metallic minerals can be further classified into two parts: ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals contain iron contents in raw form, while non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron content. If you need these minerals, you must follow the process of taking out these from rocks under the earth's surface. Extraction of minerals can be divided into three parts. First is mining, which is divided into open cast mining and shaft mining. In open cast mining, you just need to remove the surface layer and take out minerals at shallow depth. But in shaft mining, you need to dig deep bores to take out minerals from great depth. Two other types of extraction techniques are drilling and quarrying. In drilling, deep wells are bored, and in quarrying, minerals are directly dug out that are near the earth's surface. Minerals are distributed unevenly on the earth. To understand it, here is the chart explaining you about the continents. Mineral found there with specific areas. Asia. Minerals found here are iron ore, tin, lead, manganese, bauxite, etc. in India, China, Malaysia, Indonesia. Europe. The mineral found are iron ore, copper, lead, zinc, etc. in Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, France. North America is divided into three parts on the basis of the mineral found here: iron ore, nickel, gold in Canadian region, coal found in Appalachian region, copper, lead, zinc, gold, silver, etc. are found in mountain ranges in the north. South America: iron ore, tin, gold, silver, mineral oil, platinum, etc. are found in Chile, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia. Africa: diamond, gold, platinum, copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, bauxite, etc. are found in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zaire, Nigeria, Libya. In Australia, the minerals found are gold, bauxite, diamond, tin, nickel, iron ore, copper, lead, zinc, manganese in the areas of Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. Antarctica has mineral deposits like coal, iron ore, gold, silver, oil in Transantarctic Mountains, Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica. You might be thinking about minerals found in India. Here is another chart which may help you to learn its distribution in India easily. Iron ore, which is of high grade, found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, MP, Goa, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Bauxite is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world and is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra, Rajasthan. Copper is found in Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Andhra. Manganese is found in Maharashtra, MP, Andhra, Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, etc. Limestone is found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, MP, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. Gold is found in Karnataka only, and the mines here are deepest in the world and mining is very expensive. India is the world's leading producer and exporter of salt and found in sea, lakes, rocks, etc. Minerals can be used in different ways. In many industries, minerals are being used. Gems are hard minerals, can be set in various styles for jewelry. Copper can be used for making coins to pipe. Silicon is used in computer industries. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. This aluminium is used in automobiles, airplanes, etc. Minerals are a non-renewable resources, so we must conserve these by reducing the excessive use of it. We should reuse, and if it is not possible, then try to give it for recycling. Many minerals can be used to generate power. So there is a connection between mineral and power resources. Types of power resources are: non-renewable resources are also known as conventional sources. Example: firewood, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Renewable energy resources are known as non-conventional sources. Example: solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy. There are two conventional sources of energy on the screen. Firewood is widely used for cooking and heating, especially in villages, as it is a non-renewable source of energy. It will exhaust soon if forests are not taken care of. Russia has the largest forest cover in the world. Heat and pressure of the earth convert deep buried wood inside it into coal. So, it's a fossil fuel. Coal is also known as buried sunshine. We can produce electricity by coal, which is known as thermal power. Leading coal producing areas or countries are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, France. In India, coal can be found in Jharia, Dhanbad, Bokaro, etc. Come to petroleum and natural gas, which are also known as fossil fuels. Petroleum has two other names: black gold, as it is expensive, and rock oil, as it can be dug out from deep inside the rocks or seabed. Its derivatives are diesel, kerosene, wax, lubricant, etc. Chief petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, etc. In India, oil producing areas are Digboi, Assam, Bombay High, Mumbai, etc. Natural gas is one of the derivatives of crude oil. It can be used as domestic and industrial fuel. It is a cleaner alternative of fossil fuel. Too much consumption of fossil fuel has led to its depletion at an alarming rate. Rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from heights over the turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades turn the generator to produce electricity, called hydroelectricity. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by hydel power. Here is a comparative study of non-conventional sources of energy. This is from your book and it would be easy for you to learn from there or for examination purpose. Now it is clear that there is overexploitation of conventional sources of energy. To solve the problem of excessive burden over conventional sources of energy, non-conventional sources have come into use now. In the tropical country like India, where there is sufficient availability of power, the use of it to produce electricity is a great benefit to all. Solar cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. Solar cooker, heater, dryers, etc. are available in the market easily. Like sun's heat, wind is also an inexhaustible source of energy. High speed of wind rotates the fans of windmill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. In India, potential of wind energy is concentrated in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Now come to nuclear power. Nuclear power is another power of non-conventional sources. Radioactive elements like uranium and thorium can be used to produce power. Greatest producer of nuclear power are USA and Europe. In India, uranium is found in Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Thorium is found in monazite sands of Kerala. Here is another chart of advantages and disadvantages of non-conventional sources of energy, which is there in your book also. You might have visited the hot springs in Himalayas region in India or somewhere in Europe, etc. Sometimes heat energy of earth may come to the surface in the form of hot springs. This heat energy from the earth is called geothermal energy. This energy has been used for cooking, heating and bathing, etc. USA has the largest geothermal power plant. In previous class, you have read about high tides and low tides. Energy from these tides is used to generate energy known as tidal energy. The first tidal energy station was built in France. Russia, France and Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tidal mill forms. Here is a gaseous fuel known as biogas. Organic waste can be converted into gaseous fuel. A mixture of methane and CO2 carbon dioxide is produced. It is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting. It produces organic manure also, which can be used in agriculture field, and it is very beneficial for the crop production. Now it is clear to you that minerals and energy sources are very important to us, so we must save it. Always remember that energy saved is energy generated. Thank you.